Okay, we're looking at core work 613, and we'll start at the beginning. Two runners are racing, but taking different ways of getting to the finish line. Jason is running forward, and Freddie is running backward. Jason is running 8 meters per second and starts at the start line. Freddie runs 5 meters per second and gets to start 20 meters ahead. So fill out the table. I've already done that for you. As you can see, Jason doesn't get a head start, so he starts 0 meters, but he goes 8 every second, so it goes up by 8s. Freddie gets a head start of 20, he goes 5 every second. So as you can see, Freddie's goes up by 5 every second. So what is Jason's head start? He doesn't get a head start at 0 meters. Is that his y-intercept or his slope? It is his y-intercept. What is his rate of speed? 8 meters per second. Is the rate his y-intercept or his slope? The rate is meters per second. In other words, the change in y over the change in x. So that would be his y-intercept. That is his, or sorry, that would be his slope. Sorry. His change in y over his change in x is his slope. What is Freddie's head start? Freddie's head start is 20 meters. Is that his y-intercept or his slope? It is his y-intercept. And what is his rate of speed? Freddie goes 5 meters every second. Is this his y-intercept or his slope? This is his slope, because his slope is a rate. Okay, rewrite each runner's movement in slope-intercept form. In other words, y equals mx plus b. So, Jason's going to be y equals, his slope for Jason is 8, so it's going to be 8x plus his y-intercept, which is his start value, which is 0. Freddie is going to be y equals, now what is his growth value or his slope? He's going up by 5 every time, so it's going to be 5x plus his start value, which is 20. Okay. So now we're going to graph these equations into Desmos.com, and we're going to write the coordinates where the lines cross. So we have y equals 8x plus 0 and y equals 5x plus 20. So let's try this out. Just checking in again. Oops. There it is. Y equals 8x plus 0 and y equals 5x plus 20 is what we're going to put in. So y equals 8x plus 0, which of course I don't have to write the plus 0. And then y equals 5x plus 20. And we'll see where the two lines cross. So they are going to cross. As you can see, they're getting closer and closer together. And at a certain point, the two lines cross. And we can write the coordinates of that. So it's going to be 6.667, 53.333. So the coordinates are 6.667, 53.333, which would mean in 6.667 seconds, they've both gone 53.333 meters. Interpret the meaning of this point in context. The point means that in 6.667 seconds, both runners have gone 53.333 meters. There you go. Okay, if the race is 50 meters long, who gets there first? Let's take a look. 50. Who gets to 50 first? I think Freddie gets to 50 first. He gets to 50 in 6 seconds, and Jason gets there a little bit later. So Freddie will get there first. If the race is 80 meters long, who would get there first? At 80 meters, we see Jason getting there. He gets there in 10 seconds. All right, so Jason will get there first. And there you have it. There's your methods in learning.